Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Airbnb account. All you have to do is open up your browser and type in Airbnb and tap in airbnb.com really, and you'll be over at the official website. Now to create an account is super easy. You want to go ahead and click the three lines on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find at the bottom login or sign up. If you click on that, you'll be able to quickly enter your phone number, and you can just easily continue with your Gmail, Apple, or even your personal email address as well. You also have Facebook as well, so you can choose. So I'm gonna just choose the option right here to continue with my Google account. Enter it with my Google account there, scroll down and click and continue, and that's gonna go ahead and basically ask me to enter my first name, last name. So I'm going to enter my last name here. Let's say tutorial, let's use that, or toots. I like to use that word. Then I'm going to fill in some details right here about the date of birth and so forth, so we can go ahead and we can fill that in. So let's just find something that works well. Yep. And go ahead and come to the bottom and say accept the terms and an agreement here. So there, we want to go ahead and click and continue from here. And that's really pretty much it, guys. So you easily create your account. Of course, there are things in your account that you can go ahead and you can set up. So you can check your profile, so you can go to all the different things and just fill out your details much more. So if you would like to learn more how it actually works, let me know in the comments below. In other case, I'm going to create a dedicated playlist showing you all that you need to know about Airbnb so that you can become a master at using this application. And thank you guys for watching. So if you would like to learn more, hit that subscribe button and look forward to see more videos coming out about Airbnb. With that said, have a nice day, guys, and see you in the next video.